Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of one of the finished sections of the Southern Coastal Highway. This section is between 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay and the Suncoast Adventure Park. Now this section, the road, 2 lanes are finished, 2 of the 4 lanes. And this is a new road that was built through the hills. For most of the highway, the existing road was upgraded to 4 lanes, but for 2 sections, this is one of the 2, a new alignment was built going through the hills. And I must say, this is a very impressive road. One of the best roads you're going to find in Jamaica. Now, if you can remember what was here before, the roads you had to drive on, trust me when I tell you, this one is a game changer for this side of the island. Never before has this side of the island seen roads like this. Now the entire highway is 4 lanes, as you can see, but the 4 lanes won't be ready until December 2023. So they're trying to get 2 lanes ready by the end of August 2023. Now from where this video started all the way back to Yalos, the 2 lanes are finished. You have 2 lanes to drive on. So, but from Bull Bay to Harborview, those are the 2 lanes that they're trying to get ready by August. But this side of the road, the lanes are ready. Now on the left where you see that gravel, it's going to be removed, and the road, that's part of the road. So from Harborview to Yalos, it's 17.4 kilometers of 4-lane highway. Roads, the entire Harborview to Yalos section will look like this road we're driving on when it's finished. And then from Yalos to Portland, it's going to be 2 lanes. Actually, this section that we're driving on looks like the 4 lanes could have been ready by the end of August. So we just passed the Suncoast Adventure Park, and we are now going from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights or Mesbah Gardens.